Look at this pile of dirt. Looks like it's probably 10 feet by 10 feet. This pile of dirt will soon be turning into our garden. I need my sun hat. My husband was out here digging with his shovel, and then our neighbor saw us and he was like, "Hey, you want to borrow our tiller?" And we were like, "Yeah, of course." And so we did all of this work in an hour that would have taken us 3 or 4 hours with a shovel. I'll keep you updated with what we plant in it. We're gonna go get this stuff today. I'm excited. You know there's gonna be tomatoes in there. That's the main thing. Actually, yes.
What's cat?
Oh yeah, it's good for your stomach.
No, for sleeping.
For sleeping.
We bought about a dozen tomato plants of differing varieties. We are going to plant 2 rows.
Gentle shower.
Let's go do an update on our garden. Something got a hold of that, but it might recover. Something got a hold of this one, but I think it might recover. Nothing got that one. End of the road for this one. But hey, these onions are looking great. Something got that one. These 2 are doing well. This one doesn't know how to stand up, I guess. That one's doing well. Something got a hold of that one. This is the cherry tomato plant. Nearly every leaf was eaten off, and it looks like it won't make it, but stay tuned. We are going to add some marigolds to help keep pests away and get the rest of these seedlings in the ground.
Deer have been in here and eaten all of them. All our tomatoes.
Oh no. Oh. But still, yeah.
Oh. What happened? Go ahead. Oh.
Because the deer came and ate a lot of our food.
I better spank that deer.
Yeah.
I think what we need to do is shoot it with a bow and arrow and eat it.
Yeah.
I better spank hit it with my belt. I better spank him.
You're gonna spank it with your belt.
Mm-hmm.
Look at these roots coming off the bottom.
There you We love the opportunity to get the children involved. Although it may prolong the task, the benefits the kids experience will last a lifetime.
You want to replant it and see if it'll come back again?
Oh, that's where it went. I was wondering. Oh no! Oh no! I thought that was the Aristotle pepper.
What happened?
The deer came in here and ate Mommy's plant.
Ate the whole thing. Golly.
We need to put a fence around this place.
Yes, we do.
A big one and tough.
Can I borrow that for a second?
Yeah.
Sweetie? I'll just plant it right here.
What? Oh.
Because it had already had a hard life and it was doing so well.
Okay.
And then the deer came and got it.
Oh, let me help it with my dirt pile.